Hi, I'm Saavedra from ECKSTRØM. We are a townhouse design studio. This is 487 Henry, our latest project in the heart of Cobble Hill. This was a complete renovation and expansion of an existing 19th century townhouse. We kept what was important and we added what we needed to make it feel natural for today's living. So follow me inside and let me show you around. As soon as you step in, you're welcomed by this sculptural staircase. The materials are mahogany, the curves are natural, and it connects every floor of the house with this amazing skylight. And light, as you'll see, is one of the main design elements that we play with in this house. This home had scale and it had presence, and it just needed a little bit of extra help in terms of space. The front looks the exact same as it looked in the 19th century, but all the rooms feel grand and yet very cozy. A lot of warmth, a lot of texture. Here we are in the formal parlor floor, and we're welcomed by what I think is one of the most special things to have, an actual working wood-burning fireplace. This was an existing fireplace, so we were able to keep it, and we designed a new mantel around it made of travertine. The travertine and the colors of the rest of the house are informed by these muted tones. Everything is supposed to be cozy and warm. The formal parlor floor becomes a little bit less formal when you come to this living space. You get to see the big light coming from the back opening. Here you also notice how the mezzanine opens to the kitchen area, with expansive double height ceilings and a wall of windows that frame garden views. The story of this kitchen starts with this amazing 130-year-old American elm. It's in the backyard of the house and you can see it from all the windows. And we wanted to mimic that texture and bring it here in the kitchen. We did that by bringing materials that felt all wood-like, even this stone, which is a Brazilian quartzite. It has texture and it has a green that feels very organic. And we actually use walnut in the kitchen counter to create a nice contrast between the stone. And you'll also see this large double-height kitchen hood, which mirrors the shape of the fireplace in the parlor floor. We designed this kitchen to be as practical as it is beautiful. The second floor was designed to have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a sitting area. That allowed us to dedicate the entire 3rd floor for the primary suite. The primary suite feels like an escape, cozy, serene, and pinch-drop quiet. Thoughtfully designed to create a perfect balance between comfort and tranquility. There's also a wet bar for the perfect nightcap, which you can take and enjoy on your private terrace. Well, there's one last space to show you. Follow me. This roof deck is the pinnacle, literally. There is no other one in the block, so it's completely private. Just look at these iconic views, from Brooklyn to the Battery and everything in between. I hope you enjoy seeing how we completely reimagined this 19th century townhouse for today's living. See you in the next one.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.